Welcome back to Living Life with Jerry and Mel. This morning, Jerry and I went out to a yard sale, found a couple of items, because you know we don't want to pay full price for anything. Can't pay those July prices. But we found a couple of things, so we'll show you what we got. The first thing we got on our yard sale finds today is this LG portable AC unit. It's really good. Several years ago, we paid over $350 for one. We know that they're really good products, so we saw this and wanted to grab it up. We are going to use this for a small room down at the cabin, and 10,000 BTU should run us out of there. While at the yard sale this morning, Jerry happened up on a grill, and you know men and their grills, they've got to have them. So I can't complain. This one is a nice one. I really like it. It's a Weber kettle grill, 22-inch. So we're going to clean it up. We have looked at Weber grills before in the past, but we've always passed them up just because they are a little pricey. But we did get a real good deal on this one. However, it is going to take a little cleaning.
All right, well, let's see if this thing works. All right, I think with the air conditioner we got a win. We just heard some thunder, so I'm gonna roll this thing inside right now.
All right, let's get this bad boy cleaned up.
All right, folks, let me tell you, it's 90-something degrees out here. Humidity is 100%. It has already rained a little bit today, and it sounds like it might again. I'm glad my shirt is black.
some Kingsford heavy duty grill cleaner. We're gonna put some of that on it and see what it does.
Much better.
Well, it does look a lot better than when we first brought it home, but we are going to give it a second coat and see how that turns out.
This is some strong stuff. I would suggest don't breathe it in, but we may be about to have some storms again. The wind really dried that up fast, didn't it? Good Lord, we better hurry. Here comes the rain. Rain. Look at all that crap. Well, doesn't look too bad. Well, all right, we have cleaned this thing up. It's not brand new, you know, but it is good and clean now. And we saved a lot of money on this between this grill and this air conditioner that's sitting back here. If we had paid retail, we would have probably paid close to $600 for the air conditioner and this grill. So we paid a lot less than what you could go into Home Depot or even on Amazon and buy these things. So we're real happy with that.
We feel like we got some pretty good deals today.
Yep. So I think we'll probably be cooking with this thing very soon, and we'll show you how that works out. So, all right, I'm going to fix a window mount for this exhaust pipe for the new air conditioner we bought. It actually came with a plastic one, and it either got broke or destroyed or whatever. So I'm gonna do a little cutting. I'm gonna use this board where I can put it in there, sort of like that right there. I'll cut a hole out. Let's see, I think the first thing I'm going to do is try to clean this board up a little bit and then go with the measuring and that sort of thing. So stick around. All right, it's not perfect, but it doesn't have to be, because I will put some tape sealer around that thing, and I'm going to screw it in here, and we'll be done. So, good job. If I have to say so myself. All right, let's go ahead and fire this thing up. We're going to grill some bone-in chicken breast tonight. See how it does. Open. So we're going to let this grill heat up, and then we're going to throw some chicken on it. That really looks good, but it's missing a little something. About a little garlic pepper on this stuff tonight. First, let's just take a look at it. It really looks good. I like it when it's starting to crack there. Awesome. Smells so good. All right, so I'm going to just say I am very pleased with how this chicken had come out. I know it's going to taste good. So very good deal on the Yard Sale Fine Weber Kettle Grill. Awesome. All right, so I've got this thing attached to the board now. I've got one little screw right here holding it in. And I've got two here. Yeah, it was cracked here, so I will fill this in with some caulking or something. So here's the other side of it. So this board will fit in the window, and the hose will be attached to the air conditioner. And I'll show that here coming right up. See if I can do this without pinching my fingers. Okay, there we go, so it's in the window now. I've cut the board a little short because it's going to go in a different window actually. It's hooked in there, it's hooked in the back. Let's turn this thing on. All right, let's check it out here now. Oh yeah. See it glowing some spider webs. That's kind of what it looks like out here. All right, so I'm gonna say that's a yard sale win. Yep, this lighting. I think the sun, okay. I just woke up, so anyway. Yard sale win.
Well, we're going to close this video out. We're very pleased with our 2 yard sale finds, and now maybe I can get Jerry to go yard selling and thrifting with me a little more often, since he sees that he can find something he likes. So I hope you have a wonderful time. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.